This is an art attack. This is an art attack. This is art attack.
Hello everybody, my name is Norman, welcome back again. So today we are going to talk about this bad boy here. And well, I have about 30 gigabytes of footage, and I think, well, I could make a huge cut, and you know, it's just like you can enjoy watching it and learn absolutely nothing, or I can talk to you with you guys about what I did, and especially what I was thinking about, and even more especially what I was not thinking about and what I should have thought about. Of course, I could provide you with the files of this everything here, but seriously, it's not done yet. So I don't want anyone to print this out, and you know, it's not working yet. We're gonna talk about everything, and then you guys will know what I mean. That's it. So just to let you know, I was using FreeCAD. It's a free open source CAD software, and it's horrible, okay, but it's okay, if that makes any sense. I initially designed that grip to hold it this way, because this is, well, if you see that grip without the gimbal, this is the natural way you will actually hold that, isn't it? I quickly noticed that, you know, with the center of mass being way too above here with the camera and, you know, everything else, it's nearly impossible to control the gimbal if the grips were the other way around. So after I just put it here, I noticed, okay, it's way better to flip it over and have it that way. I was thinking, okay, I'm gonna print the little parts and buy some aluminum tubes and connect everything. A good friend of mine came up with the idea to actually use carbon fiber, because that's a lot cooler and also a lot more expensive, but you know, it's cooler. So I got carbon fiber even for the prototype, which is, in hindsight, I would say was very, very retarded. I could have just used wood for the prototype at least. You know, you make mistakes, then you learn, and then you hopefully don't do them again. Actually, the connecting mechanism is also very, very interesting. I saw something similar online and I adapted it to my design and to my gimbal. I just stole that screw here from my GoPro accessory kit pack. There's a screw on the other side, just fits perfectly in. Can screw it in and tighten it to roughly somehow. This design here is actually pretty solid, even though it doesn't look like that. This is actually the only thing I'm going to keep in this entire design here. And there are two other things which bug me in this build. Basically, number one is this, you can hear it. This is, by the way, these are not the parts ripping apart, this is the glue. So the next design will have a glueless design, and this is also very nice because then I can disassemble it and use that carbon fiber tubes in the next build in case I'm also not satisfied with the next build. And last but not least, actually the main reason why I'm redesigning everything, because, well, when you hold that gimbal this way, it's perfectly stable, nothing is shaking at all. This is I'm actually kind of surprised how good it lasts. But the second you start to tilt, you already notice a little bit of shake, and that's because, well, the center of mass is moving downwards. You know, these two tubes can support each other this way, but the second they are parallel in a horizontal way, there is no way they can help each other, and then, you know, it's gonna be flexy and moving around. The next build will have 3 or even 4 tubes. Let me show you. I already bought these tubes. Yes, you can buy them off Amazon. They're very expensive. I think that's 20 euro each. So actually these tubes, which I used before, were 8mm diameter. These ones are 10. So we are going to have a little bit more of stability in this one, and with these ones again. This is going to help a lot, and also with the three tubes instead of 2, we're gonna have a triangle, which is, of course, if you have played Poly Bridge on the computer, triangles are mechanics' best friends, right? Yeah, the next build is gonna be a lot more rigid. And also what I want to do is, because, well, I didn't think about holding these things upside down before, but now I do. First thing I will do is add some thumb studs, because right now it's very, very slippery. You can just slip over, and that's you know, it's not good at all. So I will make, you know, something, I don't know, so that you can put it on your index finger and, you know, have a little bit more security. Also, what I want to include is actually a remote, and you can buy them for 20 bucks on Amazon as well. It's gonna remote control the camera, because right now if you want to start or stop recording, you're gonna have a bad time, because, you know, you gotta put the camera down, and if I put the remote over here, you can just start it. This is how the build is right now and how the next build is going to be. I love 3D printing, seriously. 3D printing is so fun. It's very, very interesting. It's like a newly found love for me. So guys, if you want to know how the next build is going to look like, definitely stay tuned. And I also hope that you guys liked, you know, that Art Attack intro trashy thing. Took me all day yesterday, but you know, I think it's worth. Nostalgia hit me at least. So see you guys in the next video, hopefully with a working 3-tubed handle thing. Goodbye guys.